Before we begin, I don't know if you noticed my new laptop I upgraded to a 1998 model. This review comes from Michele in Huntington, West Virginia. Roto-Rooter restored my faith in humanity this evening. It's not hard to have faith in humanity when your Roto-Rooter plumbers treat you like a human. I called your Huntington branch and they came out right away. They could have recommended a really invasive, expensive fix, but the guy at my place today gave me another solution that was less invasive and extremely reasonable. If our boys in blue are extreme about anything, it's being reasonable. I can't imagine Roto-Rooter will make any money on this suggestion. I appreciate the integrity, rare find. Thank your employees, they deserve it. If you ever felt betrayed by a plumber, it can be hard to trust again. But Roto-Rooter's not out to make a quick buck. They really care, and they want you to call them the next time you have a plumbing problem. Guys, if Roto-Rooter hasn't thanked you already, I will. Thanks. And Michele, thank you for reminding us to have a little faith. Gotta have faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith, faith, faith.